so fun. I'm sorry.
You guys say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Oh, I thought we was taking a picture. Say hi, Miss McDonald. Miss McDonald's the coolest.
That's right. Remember that the rest of your life.
Look at the sky. The sky looks so pretty.
If there's one thing you're going to take away from 9th grade,